Well, this is today is January the 8th of 2022, and I receive again my package from Hermes, my third the third time I'm actually unboxing again. Let's see if this is what the ones I really want, but except this is the last one I ordered for this month. So let's see if it's the right one. And by the way, I had tried the polish. Sorry about my hands, it's not a very young hand, but this is my polish that I got. I tried it in one only for right now. So I need to clean up the outsides. So here we go. Let's see what's going on. Well, there's no box, but the box is that one. Let's see if it's really cute. I don't know how it looks, how I feel about the Ziploc, but thank you anyway. And let's see. Price. Well, the price is $660 plus the tax is 6%, so $6.99. Yeah, not bad for this. And that's the one. I know I'm a little see-through on this one, so let's open it up. I still can't. I don't know about the Ziploc, but anyway, here it is. And it's the box. There's this whatever, and here it is, guys. Yeah, look at that. And by the way, this is the PM, and in the website, I don't know how, but do you open it like that or what? Sorry about that. But anyway, I don't even know how to open it, but I order it since I'm anyway, this is funny, guys, but how do you open it? Let me see. Let me get my because I'm old. Put it anyway. Okay, let's see how it goes. Is this the way it goes? Oh, so when you actually push it together, then you can push it on the side like that, and it open up. What? That is fab. Like, that is really cool. Like, that is cool. So I guess you guess it's, and then you click it. Oh, there you go, guys. It's so perfect together. This is rose gold, but this is a Cartier rose gold, but this is an 8-year-old one. This is how my husband proposed to me. Sorry about my that's why I was. Anyway, this is what I got, and I really like it. It's really pretty, except I don't know, it's oh yeah, it's actually, there's still a plastic, so I thought it was like a scratch, but no, it's a scratch over the plastic. So yes, I got it. Thank you guys for being patient with me on all my unboxing and my journey to Hermes. Thank you, Hermes, for a good product.